Although Japan's rail system is one of the best in the world, its train stations are also among the busiest and the most complicated. This is because most of the stations are so huge that you would feel like you're lost in a maze. And if you can't read Japanese, buying tickets and knowing which lines to take could be a lot worse. But don't worry, one of the best ways to get around with ease is having a Suica or a Pasmo card with you. Suica or Pasmo cards are rechargeable prepaid smart cards that you can use on train lines and bus stations in Japan. You can also use it to pay at convenience stores, vending machines, and even restaurants that accept IC cards. Getting the card is pretty easy. You can purchase it directly upon arriving at the airport or at any ticket vending machine at any station. Japanese and English are provided and the steps are very simple, fast, and easy. No need to show your passport, sign anything, or write on a lot of personal info. Recharging your card is even easier. Just find a recharging machine at the station, touch the Suica or Pasmo logo button, select the amount, touch the receipt button if you want one, insert your cash, and take your newly charged card. There's an English language option available, so don't worry.